Hey young artist, so step one when it comes to drawing a hair is pretty much you want to make sure that hair is grouped into 3 to 7 shapes. If hair is straight, you want to use flat needles. If hair is wavy, you want to use wavy ribbons. That's going to give you the shape that you're looking for. If your hair is curly or if you're doing curly hair, then you want to use geometric form like cylinders. That will help you get at least the structure of the hair down. Once your linear structure is complete, begin rendering with light and shadow. Separate your light mask from your dark mask. Remember, hair does have a terminator, so you want to make sure you are drawing out that terminator or that shadow edge with dashed lines. That way you don't have a sharp line to separate the light mask from the dark mask in the hair. But this is the starting point when it comes to rendering hair with light and shadow. Once your light and shadow mask of the hair is complete, render in values in Light Logic in the shadow mask. So these values, my students typically are on a value scale of 1 through 5. So you'll be rendering your values 4 and 5. Light Logic principles, you want to render in your actual your shadow edge, your core, as well as your reflected light. So that is what you want to focus on in the shadow mask of the actual hair. Now the last step. So what you want to do is, now that we have our shadow mask rendered in, we want to render in our light mask. So this is where you're going to apply your midtones as well as your highlight. So this is your value 1, 2, and 3. And you want to make sure that you're getting in any other details that you need to get in this last step. So this should be your final step for the drawing.